Now please note down the numerical I am saying. An engine working on auto cycle has following conditions: pressure at the beginning of compression is 1 bar and pressure at the end of compression is 11 bar. So P1 and P2 has been given to you in the question. Calculate the compression ratio, that is RC, and air standard efficiency, that is eta of the engine, and it is also been given gamma, that is the ratio of Cp upon Cv is equals to 1.4. Considering these diatomic gases, it is the ratio, already we know it is 1.4. So in this particular question you have to find out the compression ratio, that is R, and pressure has been given to you P1 and P2. So we know the formula P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2. So with the help of this we can easily find R is equals to V2 upon V1 is equals to P2 upon P1 is equal to the whole bracket 1 upon gamma. Why? We are taking the formula, sorry, not P1 V1, we are taking the formula P1 V1 to the power of gamma is equals to P2 V2 to the power of gamma. So R is nothing but V2 upon V1 is equals to P2 upon P1 1 upon gamma to the power. And also we know the formula for the thermal air standard efficiency, that is 1 minus 1 upon R gamma minus 1. So R you can find out with the help of the formula P2 upon P1 to the power of 1 upon gamma minus 1, and put in this thing eta is equals to 1 minus 1 upon R gamma minus 1. So you know the value of gamma is 1.4. So the value of the compression ratio comes out to be 5.54. Remember, please note it down, that is the ratio, compression ratio comes out to be 5.54, and the thermal or air standard efficiency comes out to be 0.496 or 49.6%. Got it everybody? The formula that we have used is P1 V1 gamma is equals to P2 V2 gamma. From here we can find out the compression ratio R is equals to V2 upon V1, and then we will find out eta 1 minus 1 upon R to the power of gamma minus 1. Got it everybody? Okay. So answer I have told you. In the subsequent lecture I will try to solve these numericals also. Okay.